Hey guys, kese ho aap sab? Hope you are doing good. Welcome to LANC's YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you'll be notified every time we post a new video. If you guys don't know me, hi, I'm Alifya. I'm a professionally certified makeup artist और आज मैं हूँ आपकी LANC Makeup Academy Chapter 4 की टीचर. अगर आप लोगों ने अब तक पहले के 3 चैप्टर नहीं देखे हैं, then guys do check those out as well. So आज के चैप्टर में मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी how to apply highlighter. Highlighter is my favorite part of the makeover because it just lights up your whole face. So for the same, I'm gonna be using my favorite palette from LANC, which is this Queen Illuminator palette. This palette is so bomb, you guys. Just look. It's super pigmented, all of the shades are beautiful and it just blends seamlessly on my skin. So first, I'm going to show you guys the placement of highlighter. From my nose till the end of my eyebrows, this is the placement of highlighter. I'm just going to take this shade Cream Beige. Just look at that shine. Wow. So अब मैं लगाऊंगी थोड़ा सा highlighter on the tip of my nose and a little bit on my nose bridge, a little bit on forehead, just like that in the middle. A little bit on my upper lips and a little bit on chin. That's it. Applying highlighter is so easy and it looks so pretty. I love it. Also, I am so obsessed with this palette recently. You guys definitely need to have one in your vanity. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys and you guys enjoyed this mini highlighter applying tutorial as well. Guys, अगर आपने अब तक पहले के 3 tutorials नहीं देखे, you guys definitely need to check those out. These tutorials are completely beginners friendly and it will help you guys a lot. Let me know in the comment section down below what do you think of this tutorial. Also guys, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.